In this episode, we will be talking about parallel parking. We will be showing you how to do parallel parking. It's going to be easy with this simple steps. A lot of versions are out there with regards to your parallel parking, so this is going to be our take. This is how we do it. So please join us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Consider subscribing. Easy and simple steps with regards to your parallel parking. First step, look for a space that your car would actually fit. Once you found a space, put your car 1 foot away from the car. Align your side mirror to its side mirror, and then 1 revolution towards the right. Then start backing. Once you see the headlights, or once you see both headlights of the car at the back, start moving inch by inch your steering wheel, looking at the curb. That is your parallel parking. Alright, when moving out of your parking space, you have to do the smog. Signal, mirror over the shoulder, and if it's free, you can go. You don't have to worry about the distance up front because you came in the right way. That is your parallel parking. Okay, let's do it again. Look for another space and then we'll apply our technique. Okay, let's look for another spot. Okay, this one, again, 1 foot away from the car, side by side with the side mirror. Okay, 1 revolution to the right. Now start reversing. Once you see the car behind you and its headlights, you start moving in, and then inch by inch you start turning towards your left, looking at your side mirror, inch, then still looking at your side mirror, and your rear view mirror for the car at the back. Okay, so that's it. You have now performed your parallel parking in between 2 cars. Okay, that's it. That's simple. Okay, let's go and look for other places. Okay, again, you don't have any problems going out because you came in with your proper distance. You only have to smog, signal mirror over the shoulder, and if it's free, if you are free, then you can always go. Okay, look for one more. Okay, here's another good spot. Okay, side by side, 1 foot, side mirror to side mirror. All right, now start backing in, 1 revolution to the right, then start moving. Once you see in your left side mirror both headlights of the car at the back, start moving in. Now you're looking at the right side mirror for your curve. Okay, you are inching backwards. Okay, don't hit your curve. All right, there you go again. That's your parallel parking. Simple. Okay, now let's go out. Don't forget to smog. And then you're out again. That is your parallel parking. Alright, so that's our parallel parking. I hope you are able to follow it. It's an easy step. It's an easy technique to follow. First is you have to go side by side with the car that will be in front of you when you do the parallel parking, and you should be side by side 1 foot away from the car, and your side mirror has to be aligned. And then after that, 1 revolution to the right, reverse, look at your side mirror to the left. If you see both headlights of the car at the back, then start reversing towards your left. Now your attention is towards your right side mirror, and on a lookout for your curve. That's it. That's your parallel parking. That's our version of our parallel parking. There will be a lot of techniques on how to do your parallel parking, but for us, that's how we do it. Okay, so hope you're able to find this technique informative. Hope that we were able to help you out. That's it for our episode today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Consider subscribing. We'll see you next time.